Hello everyone, welcome to Error Genie, your trusted source for quick, original, and straightforward solutions. If you're unable to log in to Microsoft Flight Simulator 2024 and see the error, "We couldn't sign you into Xbox Live," don't worry. Follow these step-by-step instructions to resolve the issue and get back to flying. Step 1. Enable TLS protocols. Search for Internet options. Press Windows plus S. Type inetcpl.cpl and hit Enter. Adjust Advanced Settings. Go to the Advanced tab. Ensure the following options are checked. Use TLS 1.0, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3. Click Apply and then OK. Step 2. Start the Microsoft account Sign-in Assistant Service. Open Services. Press Windows plus S, type services.msc, and press Enter. Locate and start the service. Find Microsoft Account Sign-in Assistant. Double-click it and set the startup type to automatic. Click Start, then Apply and OK. Step 3. Check Xbox Live Service status. Open your browser and visit the Xbox Live status page link in video description. Ensure all services are operational. If outages exist, wait for Microsoft to resolve them. Step 4. Repair gaming services. Download the Gaming Services Repair tool. Search for it on Google or visit the official Microsoft support page. Download and run the tool to repair any issues. Step 5. Reset the Xbox app and Microsoft Store. Reset Microsoft Store. Search for Microsoft Store, right-click, and choose App Settings. Click Repair. If the issue persists, select Reset. Repeat for the Xbox app. Follow the same steps for the Xbox app. Step 6. Clear Xbox credentials. Open Credential Manager. Search for Credential Manager in Windows Search. Remove Xbox credentials. Under Windows Credentials, delete entries labeled XBL Device Key or XBL GARTS Device Key. Step 7. Reinstall Gaming Services. Open PowerShell as administrator. Type PowerShell, right-click, and choose Run as administrator. Run the following commands. To uninstall, copy code, get AppX package Microsoft Gaming Services. Remove AppX package, all users. To reinstall, copy code, start MS Windows, Store, PDP, Productidia, 9MWPM2CQNLHN. Install the service from the Microsoft Store. Step 8. Adjust date, time, and region settings. Ensure correct settings. Go to Settings, then Time and Language, then Date and Time. Turn on Set Time automatically and Set Time Zone automatically. Sync manually by clicking Sync Now. Step 9. Update Windows. Download the Media Creation tool from the official Microsoft website. Update your Windows version by following the on-screen instructions. If one of these methods solved your issue, please leave a like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to Error Genie for more helpful guides. Safe travels in the skies. Travels in.